Well, hey, 70% of Americans are unhealthy. So yeah, our workout is gonna look different from the, I guess, the athlete, star athlete, because that's most Americans are healthy. But we making that change. We finna be different. We finna set the standard and we ain't finna be healthy no more. We tired of being unhealthy Americans. So we finna change that. Remember, SMART goals, that SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time bound. And I'm gonna put this PowerPoint in there, but basically it's just what exercise you plan to do. Be specific, measurable. Make sure, don't say I'm gonna do 2,000 minutes a week knowing you can't. Be measurable. I'm gonna try to do 175 minutes. You're attainable. Make sure you can do it. Relevant. Is it gonna help you what you need to do and trying to accomplish, live longer? What's your why for why you losing weight, right? And then time bound. Make sure you have a time frame for it next time. I did kind of create, so this is the exercise planner, and they got cool journals you can look at now, whatever. But this is our SMART goals. The specific. Okay, on Monday, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna walk. How I'm gonna walk? I'm gonna get up a little earlier before work. How many minutes? I'm gonna do 30 minutes. I'm gonna walk. Okay, Tuesday, I'm gonna do this. Hip Hop Rosie video, I'm gonna do it an hour. I'm gonna watch the video of my daughter, and we're gonna make TikTok videos. Wednesday, I'm gonna get up again earlier. But this time, I'm gonna do 15 minutes of walking, and before work, I'm gonna do 15 minutes. Try that little dumbbell routine. Thursday, I'm gonna do 15 minutes. And then Thursday, my friend invited me to a line dancing class, so I want to try that. So I'm going to that line dancing class. And then Friday, I'm gonna get up early before work and walk again. And then Saturday, my church is having awareness on gun violence, a walk. So I'm gonna go on this walk.